Hello everyone. As you all would know that the CBSE has released a sample question paper for term 2 examinations for class 12th which are to be held in the month of March and April in this year. So based on that sample question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books in 12 different subjects. This is the book for political science. The subject code is 028. Let me tell you, this is basically a question bank which also has the CBSE sample question paper and the model test papers for the practice of the students. Let me also inform you that this book is basically based on the latest reduced and bifurcated syllabus for term 2 examinations. As mentioned earlier, it has the CBSE sample question paper, 5 model test papers based strictly on the pattern of the CBSE sample question paper, and it also has chapter-wise summary and question bank. Now let me take you through the book and tell you how the book has been designed. To start with, we have the curriculum in the starting of the book. If you see, the evaluation table is also given in the starting. The units are mentioned, the contents are mentioned on the left-hand side, and the marks weightage of each unit is mentioned on the right-hand side. After that, we have the subject, the syllabus for term 2 examinations. So this is all the syllabus. You can see even the term 2 project marks are given and how the project assessment is going to happen. That is also written here along with the weightage. So this is all the syllabus part, curriculum. After that, we have the contents. If you see, the contents are divided into 3 different sections. Section A, which is chapter-wise question bank. Now, there are 2 parts in section A. Part A, which is contemporary world politics, and part B, which is politics in India since independence. So, there are 2 different parts in chapter-wise question bank. After that, we have section B, which is the CBSE sample question paper, which is released by the CBSE board. And after that, we have section C, which is the model test papers. Now, these are unsolved model test papers based on the CBSE sample paper for the practice of the students. Now, let us see each section individually. So, to start with, we have section A, part A, which is the contemporary world politics. If you note, we have the summary in the starting of the chapter. All the summary, all the important points have been given in the starting of the chapter, that too point-wise, only for the simple reason that the child can actually revise and recapitulate the whole chapter in a very short while. So you see, the summary is given point-wise in the starting. So this is all the summary. After the summary, we have the question bank. Now, this is a very rich question bank which includes the questions from the previous year's question papers, and the kind of questions which are here are actually based on the CBSE sample paper, right? So, this is the question bank here. Let me tell you, in the starting, we have very short answer type questions which are for 2 marks each. All the answers are provided along with the questions since it's a solved question bank. Now, this is all section A of the question bank, which is the very short answer type question, 2 marks type question. After that, we have section B, which is short answer type questions. Now, these are 4 marks each. We have the answers along with the questions. You can see all the answers are provided here, and these are all 4 marks type questions. The quantity of the questions and the quality of the questions are mentioned here. You can see there are almost 12 to 15 questions in each part, especially the long ones, and around 20 to 25 questions in the shorter ones, right? So these are all 4 marks type questions. After that, we have section C, the long answer type questions. Now, these are for 6 marks each. Now, these are all long answer type questions along with the answers. You can see all the answers are given here. There are 10 long answer type questions. After that, we come to the section B of the book, which is the CBSE sample question paper solved. Now, this is the same paper which has been released by the CBSE board for this term's examination. So, this is the sample question paper. You can see in the starting, they have the very short answer type questions, which is 2 marks each. answers are provided. After that, the short answer type questions, which are 4 marks each. You can see all the answers are provided. And after that, long answer type questions, which are 6 marks each. Right? So this is the CBSE sample question paper. After that, the last section of the book, which is the model test papers. Now, as I have already mentioned earlier, there are 5 unsolved model test papers strictly based on the CBSE sample question paper. These are unsolved for the practice of the students. The pattern is exactly the same. Section A, very short answer type, which is for 2 marks each. Section B, short answer type, which is 4 marks each. Section C, long answer type, which is 6 marks each. So this is how the complete book is planned. For samples, you can mail us at info@goyal-books.com. If you want to view the sample books, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com, and choose CBSE Term 2 MTP Class 12th. If you want to purchase these books, you can again go to the website, which is www.goyal-books.com. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.